Hi, Mark Madden from M&M Sharpening Services. It's been a long time since we shot our video about how to safely remove your mower blade for sharpening. And so Will and I decided to reshoot it. So here's what we're going to do. First things first, when your mower is in this position, you're going to come down here and take off your spark plug wire. Tuck it off to the side like that. That way you know that your mower will not start. Then you're simply going to grab it carefully and tilt it onto its side. Now you don't want to leave it on here for a long time, otherwise the gas can leak. And this is a C-clamp. You're basically going to take a large C-clamp and clamp it firmly onto the side, like this. And what this does is, it's going to hold that blade so you have both hands to work with your ratchet wrench. Most modern mowers have either a 16 or a 17 millimeter bolt, and if you're some riding mowers and some older mowers have a 5/8. Now you see how I got this off. Then I'm going to take this bolt and plate and carefully thread it back in. That way I know where it is and I'm not going to lose it. Then I'm going to grab the mower back by the clamp and lay it down. Then I'm going to take my mower blade into us and have it sharpened. Okay? This one, I'm going to bring it close to Will so he can see it. It's pretty chewed up. So we may have to replace this one. But we'll let you know if we can sharpen it or have to replace it. But the thing is, I want you to leave your clamp on your mower blade, on your mower. That way you can tell, and no one, everyone else can tell, that the mower blade is off and it's not ready to be used.